Social anxiety, not to be mistaken with feeling anxious, is a common mental disorder that affects people from all walks of life around the world. But what even is it? In this video, we will explore what social anxiety is, its causes and treatments, and how you can support people affected by it. All of us have felt stressed or anxious at one point, but that feeling is different from anxiety. Anxiety is a mental disorder, which is a clinical condition that significantly disturbs an individual's cognition, emotional regulation, or behavior. This means that the feeling of anxiousness usually goes away when the stressor is gone, but anxiety itself is persistent even after the stressor is dealt with. Some symptoms of anxiety include fast heart rate, fatigue, and muscle pain. This is pretty common too. At least 301 million people live with a kind of anxiety disorder in 2019, according to the World Health Organization. And of course, social anxiety is considered a type of anxiety disorder in social situations, such as interviews, public speaking, or drinking some water in public. It's very normal to feel anxious or judged in those situations, but people with social anxiety experience a disproportionate response to the situation so intense that it is out of their control, which may even lead to panic attacks. They may feel this fear weeks or months before the social situation, which can drastically impact their quality of life, such as avoiding relationships, dropping out of school, and stop pursuing hobbies. Despite how much we know about social anxiety, the main causes for this disorder are still unknown. It is most likely due to a combination of hormonal imbalances, traumatic life events such as bullying, family history, and substance usage. The most common treatment for social anxiety is cognitive behavioral therapy, which focuses on changing one's distortions related to the anxiety and re-evaluating them in light of reality. Medications such as antidepressants have also proven to be effective, as many patients take those medications in conjunction with CBT. Many of us, including myself, may know a few people who have social anxiety, so here's how we can help as well. The first step is to educate ourselves on a topic and understand how this disorder works. We are social creatures, so communication and patience go a long way. Always try to listen and empathize with them, instead of minimizing or criticizing their feelings. They literally cannot help it. Furthermore, CBT therapists often ask their patients what a good friend will say to them, so don't hesitate to be that friend and offer up reassurance for that person. Though more importantly, we should set our boundaries too. If we are not therapists, we should help refer them to a professional that can help, instead of taking up all the burden, no matter how great of a friend that we may be. And there we have it. Social anxiety is a common disorder that affects hundreds of millions of people around the world, as it is a disproportionate fear of social situations that is persistent, instead of just feeling nervous. Even though the causes are still widely debated, psychotherapy and medication are the best treatment. And of course, supporting someone through social anxiety mostly includes listening to them and educating ourselves on what it is. Please let me know in the comments on your experiences and how you supported other people, as I would like to learn more as well. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and stay hydrated.